Alright, here we go. We're gonna pull this engine out. 96 Mustang GT. And be replacing it with our engine. It's right there covered right now. We're gonna start off by taking the strut tower brace off. These are 10mm bolts. Got 1, 2, 3 over here. How many's got over there? 3? Yeah, 3 over there. And then these 2 right here. The engine I'm going to be replacing this one with is out of a Crown Vic and has a completely different intake. So I'm going to have to take the intake off this one and put it on the other engine. I might as well do that now. And disconnect my sensors here, mass airflow, all that. Just got the throttle body wires disconnected. So I'm jacking it up. I'm going to drain the coolant.